Who is that?
So store closed today?
I guess
Gotta be.
I don't know what
He gotta be close today, bro.
he's probably high.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Right here in the front, girl. On the GM side, he's coming back. He's got his whole car in the damn.
Yeah, he work here before.
Y'all keep sitting in pussy ass Walmart, motherfuckers.
Yo, he's supposed to know he's
walking down, motherfucker. Where I'm scared. Nah, I'm taking it to Walmart. You Corbin, fuck Walmart. Fuck Thunderworld Walmart. Hell yeah. Fuck this Walmart right here. I'm taking y'all down. All y'all motherfucking pussy ass police. Y'all sit after me tonight. Fuck y'all too. Y'all pussy ass niggas can die.